So in this video, I will explain you about slicing operation of strings. Let's say I have a string like this. Udaikiran. To surround it with, let me open in Paint. So if I type the same here, okay. Let me cut it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the indexing will start like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total, the length is 9. As the counting starts from 0, the indexing will end at 8 itself. So if you want the complete string, so let's say the string name is name. If you want to print it completely, then simply take print name. It will print that. But let's say if I want to need a portion of it. So let's say I want to print from D. The index is 1. So what I will do? I will get a variable like this. If I keep 0, it will print only first letter U. If I want only D, I will print U1. So it will print only the first index. But let's say I want to do the range. So from 1 to 6. So if I provide 1 to 6, what happens? Let me show you. Python. It's a Python console. For interactive mode I added. So let's say some name is equal to, if I type print up, I'll just directly type, because it will, as it is in interactive mode, it will just show the value. The spelling I just mismatched here, but no problem. You can compare. Name of 1 will print me D at 1 index. Let's say I get name of 1 to 6. So here what happens is it won't print the 6. It will print one index less than this from 6. So 1 to 6. So from index 1, so it will be D, and till one number less than 6 till index 5. From index 1 to index 5. So it will be D A Y K I. For here as I mistake it will be D Y A K I. Understood? So it will stop the indexing at 6. Understood? So till before that it will be printed. So it's like endpoint mark. So till that part, not that included. So there is one more variation called as 1, 6, right? From index 1 to up to 6. So index 1 to 5. And till there we are printing every index. Let's say we want to print only the alternate indexes. Then we need to change the step size. The default step size is 1. So that's why every index value is printed. Now if I change it to 2, what happens? So the third argument, which is optional, by default it is 1, but changing to 2. So 1 will be printed. So D will be printed. Later, as the step size is 2, two increments. So A will be skipped and Y will be printed. After that, I will be printed. And next index is 7, so it won't be printed. So you see DAI. So let's say instead of 1 to 6, I kept only 5. So the permissible limit is only 4, right? So if the step size is 1, it should print DAYK. As the step size is 2 now, it will print D, next Y. Next step is at index 5, but index 5 is not included. So D and Y will be printed. Here D and A will be printed. So you can the step size is, the step number is not just included for number of bits. You can change it for direction also. Instead of 1, let me take it as -1. So then what happens? The step size will be reversed now. So after 1 is printed, it will go backside, but that is out of our step size. So it will come back. So now let's say, let me keep it as 8. It is the starting point. -1. So the direction is this side now, backside, because of step size, until let's say 2, some 8 to 2. So as I told you, this is the upper limit and reverse direction. So it will be 8 to 3, the step size. So till here, the reverse direction is printed. So let's say, let me change the step size to 2. You see, step size to 3. That's all. So if you don't specify the, and here every argument is options, not only step size. If you don't specify the start, so the starting point will be taken as 0. As it is minus, it will be taken as the 8. But if it is a positive direction, it will be taken from the first one, 0. So similarly, you can keep end also option. If you don't provide start and end, it will be 0 to 8 completely. Start and end, direct start and end. So three steps is. So you will be printed. Next after that, 3 is the step size. Let me keep the step size as 1. You see everything got printed. If I keep step size as 2, U, then plus 2. U, D, A, U by. Let me keep 0 and 8. Step size is 2. U, A by. So 2 indexes. Let me keep step size as 1. Make it different. 0 to 8, 1 got printed. So 1 step size, U, D, Y, A, like that. Let me keep the 1 step size as 2. Now, of course, mine is U, D, Y, I written, right? So that's why after U, A got printed. I mean, here the indexing is the variable depend is U, D, Y, A. So for confusion, let me redefine again. It's 0, 8, 2. So it's from 0 to 2. Let me keep these two empty. So it will take as 0 and 8 only. 0 and 8 only. So U, A, K, R, N. So starting and ending. So U step size to A, step size to k, step size to r, step size n is there. Earlier, when I mentioned 8, the step size will stop here itself because of 8. So in that case, I need to provide 9. Then it will remain. Understood? That is equivalent. Because anyway, it will come back one step backside. So there is a reverse slicing one side, as I mentioned you, that -1, -2, same. So this is pretty much about slicing. We'll discuss about operators and all in the next video. Thanks for watching.